Hey friends! Today I'm going to tell you about a place that looks straight out of a movie like Frozen, the Snow Village, Ice Hotel in Lapland. And let me just say up front, I didn't stay overnight, but it felt like I'd been there for a week with how much I experienced. Ready for a frosty adventure? Let's go! The moment you walk up to Snow Village, it feels like you've stepped into another world. Everything sparkles and glistens, and the frosty air just makes the whole scene feel even more magical. Fun fact, the hotel is rebuilt every single year from scratch. Yep, an entire village made from snow and ice, designed to blow people's minds every time. Inside, it's like walking through a museum of ice sculptures. The walls, ceilings, furniture, everything is made of ice and snow. Each room is uniquely themed, and the ice carvings are stunning. I am talking jaw-dropping works of art that make you feel like you've stepped into a dream. Now, while you can totally stay overnight in the hotel, I just came for the tour, and honestly, that's an adventure in itself. You should have seen the beds, completely made of ice. Of course, they're topped with thick mattresses, reindeer hides, and crazy warm sleeping bags. And then there's the restaurant. This was wild. Imagine drinking from a glass made entirely of ice. Yep, it's a thing. You're holding this icy cup, sipping something warm, and just thinking, is this cool or totally backwards? It's cool. Definitely cool. But the real star of the show is the atmosphere. The Snow Village feels like stepping into a winter fairy tale, where every corner has something magical to discover. It's the kind of place where the cold doesn't feel like an inconvenience, it's part of the charm. So, if you ever find yourself in Lapland, you have to visit Snow Village. Even if you don't stay overnight, it's absolutely worth the trip. Plus, you'll leave with so many photos that your friends will either be jealous or shivering while they scroll through them. See you in Lapland, and don't forget to pack gloves.